Greeting. This is Mark. We're going to be looking at how we can add animation and transition to a PowerPoint presentation. Alright, so we're going to be guiding through this particular process here. Alright, first we want to bring up our PowerPoint, right? And this is our PowerPoint right here. Right, so what we wanted to do, we want to put animation to it and all of that, right? So the first thing I wanted to do definitely is this. When you click on it, right, let me close this. They're going to come up here to animation. Notice it has different animation. And if I click this one, right, show up that way. I want to click on the second one. Here, I'm going to put animation. I want to click it. I'm going to choose a different animation here. Good. So I'm going to click this one. I'm going to put as a different animation here. Right. And then for this one, I'm going to choose a different animation. Right. I can also come right inside here and choose animation just the same. You can also come right here and choose animation just the same. Right. So what we're going to be looking at next is how to put transition to our slide. Right. So the first thing we want to do, come right here to transition. Right. If you notice, we have different section here. So we're going to click on this one. Notice this is the first one. And if we want, you can click here, so apply that to all the slides. But I want to put transition on different transition on each slide. So I'm going to click the second one, right? And then I'm going to click transition, right? I'm going to put this one. I'm going to click the third one. I'm going to put different transition on it, right? So I'm going to click the fourth one here, right? And then we're going to put this one. We're going to put for the fifth one, right? We're going to put something quite slightly different for the fifth one, right? So we're going to be looking at the sixth one now, right? And see if we can go all the way here with a different one, right? 7 for 7. We can actually come right here. Let's go pointer right here, and there are many more here we can actually choose from. Alright, so we're going to go right here, and so we're going to add more. Alright, so each one of the slide actually have their own transition. Alright, so we're going to put this one right here. Alright, and as soon as they finish, we're going to run a slideshow, and then you see exactly what transition will work here in PowerPoint. Alright, so very unique. Alright, so let me go to the beginning. Now we're going to run a slideshow. So I want to come right here, or you can go right here, and you can click right here upon slideshow. Actually start. Alright, let me close this right here. So I'm going to come right here, start. If you notice my first slide here, I have a curtain. Alright, and if I click, notice. Alright, now you got notice on the silver margin. You haven't seen anything right here so far because it have an animation. So if I click, you notice like that. Alright, so this is now you notice the animation transition working. So this now animation. Alright, notice my transition going so far. Alright, if you come like that, you notice. Good, and look at my transition. Alright, animation come up now. Alright, good. Look at my transition. Animation so far. Wonderful. So you can actually create a presentation and those and the animation and the transition just like that. It actually brings a slide to life. So I hope you have learned something from this particular video here. Share it.